Hello guys, welcome back to MJ Crypto. And previously on this channel 2 days ago we talked about how to spot an uptrend, know when the trend is about to end, and then take a short or sell position. In other words, how to trade a trend reversal. Okay, we talked about that and we made clear examples. If you did not watch the video, go to the link in the description and watch that video. Okay, so this is more like the part 2 of what we did previously. So now, how do you spot when a trend is about to go up, or rather what we call a bullish reversal? Okay, how do you spot it? Now, first of all, the number one rule is that there must be an existing downtrend. Okay, in other words, you are trying to trade a reversal. There must be what? An existing downtrend. If there's no existing downtrend, do not enter that trade. That's rule number one. Then rule number 2, I'm about to show you right now. So you can see here, from this spot to this spot, we have a what? Downtrend. And we must actually complete consecutive lower highs and lower lows. I'm talking about pullbacks on the trend. So now, the very first here is what? The lower high here and the lower low. We have another lower high. We have another lower low. We have another lower high, and then we have another lower low. Okay, we'll have a lower high again, and then at this point you can see here we couldn't complete another lower low further down. So at this point we actually have a consolidation. Okay, the market consolidated here and then dropped back here again to the previous lower low. But if you observe clearly, it did not break through, okay, to form a complete lower low. It formed a support at this line here. It formed a huge support at this line. All right, now good, that's rule number 2. Now, how do you take a long position and how do you confirm that a reversal is about to happen? Now, what this is telling you is it's a reversal pattern. Okay, this is what we call a reversal pattern. This is simply a triple bottom reversal pattern. You can write it down. A triple bottom reversal pattern. In other words, buyers are about to take control of the market. Okay, that is why you see that you can't have another lower low. If we had another lower low, it would have been a continuation of this down trend from here to here. But you can see that the buyers are actually taking over. They put a stumbling block here, which is a support, and said, "Yay, you can't pass this place. Okay, you can't pass this place. You can't push us back to the village. So we are here mounting a stumbling block for you." All right, I'm just trying to explain this so that you get in details what I'm saying. So now, how do you take a long position? The trend is about to reverse. Okay, it's about to reverse to the upside. Now, the very first thing you want to do is to look for a confirmation. All right, now at this point here, watch my mouse. At this point, you can see clearly that the buyers took over and then it broke through this line here. Okay, this previous resistance that was be formed. It broke through this line and then retraced back. Now you must wait for a retrace. That retrace is what we call a confirmation. You don't just enter a trade. No, that's very wrong. You wait for a retracement. Okay, now after that retracement, it is now confirmed and certain that this particular pair or this particular coin is going towards the upside, and then you take a long position. So you take a long position apparently from this position here, this point, and then set your stop loss to be very safe in case you have some fake outs. Set your stop loss to the previous support or even below the previous support line, okay, that was formed. And then you can set your take profit to a 1:2 risk reward ratio or even 1:3. Reversals often bring out very big profit margins. Okay, so you are quite safe when you are trading a reversal. In fact, most of the big guys, I often say this, most of the major monies made in the financial market are made from reversals. Okay, so you set your take profit around somewhere here and then make some cool money for yourself. So now let's see how the trend ended. You can see the trend ended somewhere here. So you can see you have made so much profit even if you had gone with a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio. Okay, let's go back again. See where the trend started. See where we took our buy position from. We took it around here. Okay, and what's the price here? 8.150, and it went ahead to what? 10 point something or even 14 point something. This trend has not even ended. You can see for yourself, right? The trend has not what? Ended. The trend is still ongoing. Okay, so basically this is how to what? Trade profitably. Once you follow this simple strategy I've just taught you now, you keep making money in the long run. Okay, so watch the previous video. If you've not subscribed to this channel, click on the subscribe button right away. I'll be dropping a very important video next, and that's going to happen tomorrow. It's going to happen live here on this channel tomorrow. So do well to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on that important update that I'll be dropping. So cheers guys, have a good time, trade wisely, trade profitably. Do not be in a hurry to make money. The crypto space is always there for you. Consult when you need to, and have a good time. Bless.